For this is the word of the Lord who is anointed. Therefore, as the word is coming to you, your bodies are getting healed. Your levels are changing. Deliverance is coming to your family. Your horn is exalted. Your coast is enlarged. For in the place where you have suffered the most, in that same place your testimony is arising. You are swallowing that furnace. Your weepings are over today.